Continuous learning is the minimum requirement for success in any field. I have lived by this statement all my life. As a senior management professional, the general management post was just what I was looking for. It had the right mix of topics from design thinking, business strategy, leadership to business analyticals. My campus visit module and the masterclass by the IIM faculty were the cherry on the cake. Hi, I am Phani Krishna, a seasoned professional with 22 years of experience in engineering and manufacturing across the chemical, FMCG and Pharma sectors, currently serving as the Senior Manager for Engineering, Projects and Operations at Knovea Pharmaceutical. As a recognized transformation leader, I have played progressive roles in various pharma formulations. I have been instrumental in leading Knovea Pharmaceuticals into injectable formulations. Prior to my current role, I made significant contributions at Dr.Reddy Laboratories, where I played a key role in developing capabilities. As I was looking for a program that could help leaders like me scale the next level, I came across the Executive Certificate Program in General Management by IIM Indore, offered by Simplilearn. As I went through the curriculum and found it to be relevant and interesting, I decided to enroll in the program. My program experience was enriching. The support from the Simplilearn staff, along with learning tutorials and live interactions and master classes with IIM faculty, made it an amazing educational journey. I also loved the campus module as I had the opportunity of interacting with my peers and faculty, and I have learned a lot. I believe that I have gained a valuable knowledge and skills that I am confident will pay off in the near future. My main career goal is to ascend to the role of a CEO someday. Outside of work, I enjoy reading books and exploring new places through travel. It helps me unwind. Your career is a journey, not a destination. Keep upskilling.